So now we will be learning how to convert a regular expression to an epsilon NFA. So we'll be learning the closure properties of regular language. So RE to NFA basics. What is the basic symbol A? When you want to represent a symbol, this way you will represent. For epsilon, you will be representing it in this way, and if there is a nothing present, null, then you will be representing in this form. So we write here Q0 A Q1 if states are Q0 and Q1. So say for example, first is union. In union, how will you represent? You will represent this way for E1 union E2. That means, suppose it is given A plus B. A plus B means A union B. So this will be Q0 epsilon epsilon. Over here you will write A. This will be Q1, Q2. Here you will be writing B. Q3, Q4, epsilon, epsilon, Q5. This way you will be representing for A union B. That is nothing but A plus B. Next is concatenation. That means E1 into E2. A into B. For A into B, go like this. This is Q0 A Q1 epsilon Q2 B Q3. This way we will be representing for A into B. Next is closure. That means suppose you have been given A star. So how will we be representing it as Q0 Q1 A Q2 Q3. From Q2 to Q1 your arrow head is like this, and from Q0 to Q3 your arrow goes this form. So for E star means, for suppose example I took for A star. So I hope it is clear. For A plus B, how will you be representing it? For AB, A into B, this way is the representation. So if I show over here, it is Q0, then A, Q1, Q2, then B and Q3. And this is for closure. So this is the question which says create a epsilon NFA for regular expression A by B star into A. What is A by B? A by B is nothing but A union B, or you can also write as A plus B. So we saw for union what we are doing, 0, then epsilon, epsilon 1, 3. Then we write here A, we write here B, 2, 4, epsilon, epsilon. But now this is with a star. So for star we saw, what are we doing for star? From this we have already made this part. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. We have made this here. Epsilon will also come 3 and 6. We see this is the way we will do for star. Then also we have to write for A. For A we will add one more A. So what is this? This is for a symbol. You will just add that symbol like we saw over here. For a symbol, add that symbol. So this is the way we will do the conversions. So what you have to remember, basically these rules you have to remember. For union, how will you be representing it? For concatenation, how will you be representing? And for closure, how we will be representing it. Thank you.